Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special in stores for you as we dive into the wonderful world of backyard decor inspirations and ideas. Your outdoor space is like just canvas, just waiting to be transformed into a paradise of relaxation and enjoyment. Whether you have a small patio or a sprawling garden, we have got you covered with creative and practical ideas to make the most of your backyard. So let's jump right in. The key to create a relaxing backyard retreat is to establish a cozy sitting areas. Consider adding a comfortable lounge set or a rustic wooden bench with plush cushions and throw pillows. You can also create a charming conversation nook with a swing chair or hammock, perfect for those lazy afternoons with a good book and a cup of tea. Bring life to your backyard by incorporating lush greenery through thoughtful landscaping. Plant a variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees to add color and texture to your outdoor space. Consider creating a vertical garden or a living wall for a stunning visual impact. Hanging planters and potted plants can also add a touch of freshness to your decor. Elevate your backyard gatherings with a charming outdoor dining area. Set up a rustic dining table with comfortable chairs or go for a more casual vibe like picnic style with sitting. String lights or fairy lights overhead will create a magical ambience for those warm summer evenings. Don't forget to add a barbecue or fire pit for those delightful cookout sessions with friends and families. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your backyard oasis. Consider incorporating various lighting solutions like lanterns, solar powered pathway lights, and string lights. You can also place candles in glass jar or a soft and romantic glow. Experiment with different lighting arrangements to create a magical atmosphere after the sun sets. Turn your backyard into an entertainment hub by adding some fun features. Install an outdoor movie screen or and have a fantastic movie night under the stars. Set up a gaming area with board games, table tennis, or even a mini golf course. For music enthusiasts, a dedicated space for playing music instruments can add a unique touch to your backyard decor. If you seek the tranquility and peace in your backyard, consider creating a Zen garden. Incorporate elements like small water fountain, a meditation spot, and Zen-inspired sculptures. The soothing sound of the running water and serene atmosphere will help you to unwind and find your inner peace. If you have little ones, why not to create a dedicated kid-friendly area in your backyard? Incorporate elements like a colorful playset and sandbox or even a tree house. Soft rubber mats or artificial turf can create a safe and comfortable surface for play. Don't forget to add some outdoor toys and games to keep the kids entertained for hours, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your own backyard oasis. Decorating your backyard doesn't have to break the bank. Consider upcycling old furniture or household items to add a unique touch to your outdoor space. Repurpose wooden pallets into a rustic garden bench. Use old tires as planters or turn mason jars into beautiful candle holders. Embrace your creativity and let your skills shine as you add personalized decor elements to your backyard. And there you have it, a plethora of backyard decor inspiration and ideas to transform your outdoor space into a heaven of relaxation and enjoyment. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Also, let us know in the comments which idea you loved the most, or you have any other backyard decor ideas you would like to share with us and the community. Thanks for watching.